After you purchase a new table tennis racket and before you start to use it, it's a best practice to actually remove the protective transparent tape as shown here. So basically for the demo purpose, I'm removing one side of the protective foam already, like you can show on the red kind of side. And this way it's showing a mattified effect on this racket versus the other side, this black side. I didn't remove the transparent foam, so you can still see it's a gloss kind of effect, and it's a very thin layer of the protective foam here, and basically you need to remove it. Otherwise, when you start to use this racket, it's not going to be create much of the friction force for the ping pong ball. So that is the difference here.